How many times have you found a jar of your starter at the back of your fridge, forgotten about, neglected, and looking like this? And you thought, oh no, I killed my starter. I hear that all the time from people who have tried to make sourdough bread and they've just given up. Well, this is a great starter. It's just hungry. And a great test to find out if you have indeed killed your starter. You look at it, there's nothing red or pink, so that's a good sign. The lid is off and you're not gagging. That's a good sign. So have a sniff. This one smells a bit like apples. Sometimes they do. Sometimes they smell like vinegar.